Hey guys, Miss Richardson here. I hope you had a good spring break. And for those of you who celebrate Easter, I hope you had a good time spending time with your family. My kids got to hunt Easter eggs before it rained, so at least we got to do that. I'm going to make a couple of videos for the lessons this week. The first video, I want to show you how to navigate the blog and some of the other websites so you know what assignment you need to complete. And then my second video will be the actual lesson of some of the things that you're going to learn and practice using this week. So when you go to my blog, you're going to see this. This will be the first post. I'm still working on it, so I'm just showing you a preview, but it will be posted. All right. It's going to say week of April 13th, 2020, Digital Learning Week 4. Starting this week, you will have a different schedule. You will be given work from each teacher once per week, and it should be completed by Thursday. Really, you're going to have probably 2 or 3 classes to work on each day, but only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. If you do not complete your assignment, then on Friday, you will need to work on it. Okay? You need to make sure you're completing your work for every single class. Grades will start going into Synergy again. Like I said, I'm only going to post like 1 video this week. Actually, there's going to be 2, only because I need to show you this, and then I'm going to only have 1 video for the lesson. For me, your assignments are going to be due by Friday at 4 p.m. And like I said, there will be additional videos to help you navigate your other lessons for additional support. As always, you can reach out to me for any help or questions. Okay, I'm going to have the video that I'm making now. It's going to be posted here, as well as the other video with the lesson. So this week we're going to talk about prepositions. I have the material here. What I'm going to teach you in the other video is going to be here. I also have it in Spanish, Turkish, and Vietnamese, which will be here. Prepositions English, it's exactly what I have here. Spanish, Vietnamese, and Turkish. So if I click on the Spanish one, it downloads here. I can open it up, and there it is. I do not have these words in your native language because you are learning these words in English. The only thing that's going to be in Spanish, Turkish, or Vietnamese are the directions. Okay. So yes, I'm going to be teaching you about prepositions. We talked about it a little bit before we got out of school because of COVID. So I'm going to go back over them. There's also this website here that has really, really good resources, and it's where I got a lot of information from. It's about the prepositions, so showing you prepositions of time, using in, at, on, for, since, while, during, prepositions of place, between is a special preposition because it's between, it's 2 objects, and then movement is here. Okay, so this website is going to be really important for you to refer to, and then I have a preposition guide here. So if I click it, it's going to download, pull it up. There are just some pictures that I found that I was able to use that free of like copyright infringement. So it tells you here that it was by an unknown author and it's licensed. But But these are good visuals for you while you're working on prepositions this week. This one too. I thought these were really good. Those are good visuals for you to see. In my other video, I'm going to model and demonstrate them. Okay. There we go. There's the blog. All right. So your assignment this week. You need to complete it by Friday, April 17th. You have two options. You need to pick one. You can either write 3 sentences using prepositions, underline the preposition, draw or insert a picture to go with each sentence. You may take a picture of your work and text or email it to me, or complete your work in Office 365 and share it with me. What I mean by that is that you can go into your Office 365, like I have here, and you're going to have Word. You can go into Word, click blank document, and then what you're going to do is type your sentences, like with a preposition, like the dog is in the box. The preposition is the word in. Okay, so I'm going to underline it, and then I'm going to find a picture. So I'm going to go to Insert, and I can go to Picture. I'm going to Bing, and I'm going to put dog in box. Oh, okay. I like this one. Okay, woo, that picture's big, so I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, there we go. And so that's one way you can do it. Okay, but I would need 3. Your other option, if you're having a hard time with that, especially if you're using your cell phone, I know work is really difficult using your cell phone, you can take the quiz on Quizzes. So here's the website. I'm going to show you here. Here it is, or you can go to joinmyquiz.com, enter in the code. I need you to make sure that you put your real name. I need to know that it's you. Okay, if for some reason the Quizzes code doesn't work, that link doesn't work, I left the code here. If it still doesn't work, email me, let me know. You can also put your answers here. I know you won't be able to draw, but you could put your answers here when you leave a reply. You post a comment, I will see it, I can approve it, or I can just leave it. As long as I get it, I'm fine. Okay? Real quick, before I end this video, I'm going back to this website, the prepositions one, because I want to talk about prepositions of time. We won't really be able to do that in the other video, so I want to show you, like the word in, I-N. We use that when we talk about something being in a specific month, a specific year, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So some examples. My birthday is in July. In. Some of you will say on. My birthday is on. No. My birthday is in July. At is another preposition for time. So we talk about a specific time, like I have to work at 7:30 tomorrow, or I have to work at night. We go to school at 8:30. Okay? On is also a preposition for time. When we talk about a specific day of the week, I do not have to work on Sunday. Okay, on a specific date. I was born on July 6, 1985. See here, my birthday is in July. I only tell the month. Here, it's a date. July 6, 1985. So we use the word on. The next word, for, is a duration of time, a period of time. I have lived here for 10 months. Sometimes I'll ask, how long have you lived in the United States? And you might say, I have lived here for 2 months. Okay. Since, we use that with a specific time something began. So like I said, I could say, how long have you lived in the United States? And you could say, I have lived here since August 2010. While are activities taking place at the same time. While I was working, I was studying. While Miss Richardson was teaching, I was talking. During is the time something happened. Okay. It rained during the night. She took a phone call during class. So while it's happening. Those are really hard to kind of show you. We just have to talk about it and practice it. For place and movement, I will be doing a separate video. Okay, so making sure we check out the blog, doing our work. Okay, here. I think the easiest thing is for you to do the quizzes for your assignment. So making sure that you're able to do that. Remember, if you have any questions, please reach out to me and let me know. See you in the next video.